Hi everyone, my name is Victoria. Today I would like to show you this cool vacuum. I will send this product for review. Let's open the box. Alright. Inside we have instruction. This is our vacuum. Everything nice and organized inside. Have to assemble it. The installation looks pretty easy. These two parts together like that. If you want to take it off, here's the bottom. You just have to push it. It's very easy to use. This is the second. I think this part goes here or this one. Yeah, this. Like that. Then you can use any brush, small, middle one, or the main. Here's the lock. Like that. It's done. Just 3 steps, and you vacuum assemble it. Here's the charger. It has a holder for your vault that you can place your vacuum in your storage, on your closet. And this is the filter. Good, let's try to use it. It has 2 speeds level, first and second. It shows battery level. Here's the bottom. You just have to press it. And you can switch it. Yeah. Lights is worked. As you see, it's rotated. I placed some coffee beans on the carpet and on the floor. Let's see how it works. Just press the bottom. All inside. Oh my God. As you see, 30 seconds. It's done. Let's try with my dog hair. Here's my dog hair. This fluffy carpet in my bedroom. It's very hard to vacuum all the time. Let's try this vacuum. Wow, it's very easy to use. It's very lightweight. Did you see the difference? The size is adjustable, pretty long. If you need to change your brush, it's very easy. You just have to press on this button and take it off. Then, to clean your couch or some small spaces, you can use this brush. Hop. Brush you can use to clean your molding, some small stuff, or you can clean your windows. Overall, guys, this is really great vacuum. It's lightweight, very comfortable to hold in your hand, very easy to use. Here's their filter. Just have to press this button, take this off. As you see how many stuff inside already. Crazy. Guys, I will definitely recommend you to buy this cool vacuum for yourself or as a present. You can find it on Amazon.